Hey, what's up, world? I am here in this park, in this nature, because I believe we as humans we should be always connected with nature. When you come here, you spend time in these trees, in this nature, you walk on this green grass, it makes you feel that you are living your life again. It is so rejuvenating when you are living your life in a city and spending your days on a desk in a corporate lifestyle. You miss your connection with the Mother Earth. And that's the reason whenever I get time, I come here, I spend time with the plants, I spend time with the nature and these big, huge trees. Similarly, when I am in my office, I keep essential oils with me. Essential oils are also a nature. In this bottle, you have extract and essence of all these plants. So even when I'm not able to spend time in nature, I have all the benefits which are coming to me from the nature, extracted by a distillation process, and they are all brought down in this bottle. This small bottle contains lots of essential oils which are extracted from the plants. So this bottle is also nature, which we use in aromatherapy. This is which I keep with me all the time. It is Breathe by doTERRA. When I smell it, it opens up my lungs. This is so good for the respiratory system. When we are living our life in city, there is so much of pollution outside, there is so much of carbon which get accumulated in our lungs. When we smoke a cigarette, all the smoke gets accumulated in lungs. So this Breathe essential oil is what I use to keep my lungs healthy. I am Vivek Arora and I am an aromatherapist, and I'm doing this since past 2010.